have a tech tip?
I do have a tech tip. Today's tech tip is how do you get a template in your Word documents? So I want to start a new Word document and I want my letterhead and our details across the bottom, and I'm going to show you a quick way to make that happen every single time.
Hello. So what you're going to do to start a new document based on a template that you already have is you're going to go into Word and you're going to choose the new option rather than the very regular option, which is to open up an old document that already has the template that you want on it with the letterhead and the information. You are going to say new, and in the new document you are going to click on this button down here that says personal. Now, if you don't have a personal option here, that's because you haven't set up the details. And the way that you do that is we go back to Word and go into the file menu and then come down to this option here that says options. In your saving options, what you want to do is put your personal template location here. We have a folder called templates, and inside here we have all of our Peppermint IT templates. Now, if I click the button here just up into the address bar at the top and press the copy button, that is going to copy that path for our templates, and then I can pop over to here and paste the path of our templates into this templates location. Then I'm going to click on the OK button. What that means is that now when I say File New and click on the Personal button here, all of the templates in that folder are all down here. So when I go to the one, when I look for our template, it's called P1 Letterhead, and I click on P1 Letterhead, and what I now get is a lovely new Word document with our header and our footer. And you'll see that it's just called document 5, so I can't accidentally write over the top of the last document that I opened because it's a template. It's opening up as a blank document. And the other thing that you'll notice in here is that we have all of our styles set up already. So if I want to do normal text, I'm just going to click on normal, and if I want to add in a heading, I'm going to add in our predefined heading style. Oops, spell it correctly, and then any of the other subheadings that we'd like to use. And that is how you use templates in Word.